Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and you are watching Labu Vlogs, and it's me Lalita. So guys, as you all know that I went to baby shower party last week of my baby sister, so I gift her a nappy cake and some goodies too. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my nappy cake. So let's start. So guys, first of all, you need to make up your mind what you're gonna gift. So this is all DIY. That's why I went shopping with Labu in Car Factory. My sister-in-law is expecting a baby boy. That's why I bought some blue stuff like blue ribbon, wrapping paper, some teddies. Here you can see lots of teddies and all the stuff. And here I bought, and here you need loads of nappies, like 100 pieces of nappies. Here Mr. Guring is figuring out how to make it, and I am directing him what to do and what not to do. So he is helping me out, and here is lots of goodies, lots of baby stuff. So we are taking help from YouTube as well here. And yes, he is still figuring out. And here you can see a first layer of the nappy cake. This is all DIY. So first layer is almost ready. Here you can roll a nappy like this. This is a second layer, and here is third layer as well. So he is putting some stuff there as a decorating, and you can tie with a blue ribbon, and you can tie with this see-through wrapping paper, and this is ready. Look how beautiful is this. Nice. And also you can gift a goodies which is important for a baby, like baby stuff, in a basket. So this is my DIY nappy cake. So you can try it in your home, for your friends, for your sister-in-law, for your sister, everyone. Yes. So if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, etc, etc. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.